absolute delight. It was so much fun and very entertaining, and can't wait to see Helena again sometime.
Oh, it was wonderful. Helena was just very touching. I never knew the stories of the fairies of Ireland, and this is my first introduction to that, and I just thought it was a wonderful, wonderful story, and we're very happy to have her here. She's been terrific, and we couldn't ask for a better headliner. She's been great.
We enjoyed Helena so much. She really brought a lot of joy and excitement and presented the Irish heritage and culture to our audience like no other presenter we've had here. So we can't say enough good things about her. Thank you so much for coming.
Fabulous. We enjoyed it. I'm so pleased to see the Irish stories and all the fairies. I mean, it was all new to me. So I was excited.